Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today my project is about how to make this very beautiful and cute quilled fairy. It's a cute quilled angel. So I will show you how to create the wings and the body and how to decorate the doll, everything. So let's start with procedure. For this we need some peach color, green, pink and brown color quilling strips. Here I am using 3 mm quilling strips, scissor, star punch, one toothpick, liquid glue, quilling tool, pink color thread, light green color cardstock, one wire, you can use any wire but it should be thin, and pink color stocking cloth. First I am making the face. For this I am using 5 strips of peach color and making one tight coil. So connect 5 strips one by one. Secure the end. So tight coil is ready. Now take quilling mold and make a dome shape. Add glue inside this dome. Spread this using brush and let it dry for some time. Similarly, I have created one more dome using brown color strip of same size. Now I will connect both the domes with each other. So face is ready. Similarly, I have created 2 more tight coils. For this tight coil I have joined 8 strips of pink color, and for this tight coil I have joined 6 strips of peach color and 2 strips of pink color. Now again take a quilling mold, and for this we will make small dome, and for pink one we will make large dome. So for this I am using my fingers to make it deep. Now add glue inside both the domes. Spread this using brush. And let it dry. Now I will connect both the domes with each other so that it will look like a body of the doll. Now I have created one more tight coil using 2 strips of pink color for the shoulder. So I am making dome again. Similarly, I have created one more dome for other shoulder. Add glue inside this dome and let it dry for some time. Now I am joining 1½ strip of pink color and making one tight coil for the gloves of the angel. Now insert any pencil through this and make a cone shape. Similarly, I have created one more cone. Add glue inside this cone and let it dry. In the same way, I have created 2 more cones using peach color for the arms. Now I am taking this light green color cardstock circle. The diameter is 12 cm and I am cutting this till the center point. Now I will construct this like a cone. So before making cone I am cutting the inside part also. So I am making one more circle and cut this circle first. Now I am cutting this circle in half and folding like a cone shape. So just add glue and connect this to assemble the cone shape. Like this. Let it dry. So it's dry now. Now I have joined 2 strips of pink color to make a tight coil and I am joining this tight coil on the top of this cone to make a waist. Now I am adding the upper part of the doll to this. Now to decorate the dress of doll I am doing some quilling patterns. So here I am joining one strip of peach with 1/4 strip of pink color and making one loose coil. Then pinch it and make a Malaysian flower petal. Wrapping this petal with pink color strip. In the similar way I have created 11 petals. So I am joining these petals on bottom part of skirt. So it's done. Now I am joining some green color teardrop shapes between these petals. This teardrop is created using half strip of green color. So it's done. Now for the next layer I am adding some pink color leaf shape. For this I have used half strip of pink color. So it's also done. Now for the last row I am joining light pink color leaf shape. For this I have used 1/4 strip of light pink color. So the decoration is done. Now I am wrapping the middle part of the waist using peach color strip. Cut excess strip and secure the end. So the basic doll's body is done. Now I am connecting the neck. For this I have used one strip of peach color and made one tight coil. Now I am connecting the face with this. Hold it for some time and let it dry. Now I will join the arm with the gloves. So I have twisted this arm like this. Add little glue and connect with gloves. Like this. I have joined both the shoulders and one hand. Similarly, I will attach other hand. So add glue and connect like this. Now I am making the palm. For this I am using half strip of pink color. First make a loose coil. Then make a teardrop shape. And then make a heart shape like this. So I am connecting the palm with the hand like this. Now I will show you how to make curly hairs. For this I am just rolling this brown color strip and opening it by pulling the tool, so that it will automatically get curled. Cut this portion and repeat this process. We need at least 15 to 20 curls to add hairs to the doll. Here I have created one fringed strip using 10 mm brown strip, and I am adding this strip on the front part of the doll's face. So add glue and connect the strip. Cut excess strip. Now I am adding these curls on the back side of the doll. add curls one by one. So I have added all the curls around the head of the doll, some on back side and some on front side, like this. Now I am adding eyes, nose, lips and cheeks to the doll. For nose, I have created small tight coil using 2 mm strip of peach color. And for the lips, I have just cut the red color paper and added circle cheeks. Now I will make the band. So to add band, I am adding glue first and just add pink color strip around this. Cut excess strip. Now I am adding little crown. For this I have created 2 small green teardrops and 1 pink teardrop using 1/3 strip. Now I will show you how to make these stocking cloth wings. For this I am taking golden color wire and wrapping through this bottle. The diameter of this bottle is approx 2 inches. Cut the excess wire and wrap this ring using the cloth and then tighten the cloth using pink color thread. Make a knot and cut excess thread and excess cloth. So wing is ready. In the similar way, I have created small wing using 3/4 inches diameter circle bottle. Now I am adding both the upper and lower wing by twisting the wire. Now I will connect left and right wings with each other. So just twist the wire and connect these wings. So wings are ready. Now fold the wired portion on upper side, cut excess wire, and now I will connect the wings by adding some glue to the doll. So insert the wings behind the hairs and let it dry for some time. Now I have created this magic stick by adding 1 star using star punch. I have used here golden color paper and added 1 toothpick to this. Now I am adding this magic stick with her hand like this. Now I am taking this green color cardboard circle. The diameter is 12 cm. I have just wrapped the green paper on this circle cardboard. Now I am adding some green, brown and white color tight coils randomly for the support of the grass, because I will add grass around this, so I need support so it will look like a pebbles. Now I have created this grass using dark green color paper by just cutting it in zigzag manner. Now I am adding some glue around this circle and adding the grass around this. So add this, hold it for some time, add glue to the end and connect this. Now I have created some flowers using pinks and reds colors and orange colors, and I added 1 green color strip to this to make a stem. I have just created these flowers using some basic shapes to decorate this circle grass shape. So add glue and connect these flowers one by one. This portion is completely optional. If you want to decorate in other way, It's completely on you. Now I'm adding our angel or fairy in the center. So add glue and connect like this. So it's completely dry now. So fairy with the lovely garden is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.